Hello everyone, here today you with urgent appliance repair right here in Charlotte, Monroe, North Carolina. First, I do want to thank you those who's been letting us to be part of your family and allowing us to take care of your appliance repair needs. Second of all, I do want to mention that we offer wide varieties of appliance repair and services on refrigerator, washer, dryer, dishwasher, dryer vent cleaning, and much more on all major brands. Please contact us by phone or make easy online reservation through our website. All of our information is in the description. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.